Hey, check it out. We did a video of this area about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago, I don't know. The X270 boat with the AZ7534-F hull number. Right, all its cushions, all its tires, all the other crap that they brought with it is still laying here. I think a javelin has made it its home. Not sure. But how long should all of this be allowed to stay here before the county supervisors actually have to step down? I mean, they're so interested in selling this property off to their campaign donors from Maricopa County, yet they'll let this, sit here and be an eyesore next to my house, and they'll let code enforcement pass this piece of crap up, and this whole area, they'll pass right by it to come give you a fine for a motorhome you don't want to register, right? Or a water tank that you don't want to set up right now. So I think the Board of Supervisors, Dirty Surdy, I think you're earning your name, bro. You're not representing Santan Valley. You are officially earning your name, Dirty Surdy. Look what you're doing to Santan Valley. You're letting this stay here like this. I brought this to your attention before you were elected, as we were running. See, if I would have won, I'd already have crews out here in all these areas cleaning this shit up so we could get top dollar, right? Top dollar from these people who want to come and put cookie cutter homes in. I think it's time that we make the Board of Supervisors just step down. I think we need to start looking for their replacements this coming election. So if you want to be a Board of Supervisor and replace any of them, Mike Goodman, Smith, Dirty Surdy, well, I might be running for Dirty Surdy's spot again, I don't know. We'll see. But I think y'all better take a little more pride in Santan Valley and getting this crap cleaned up. Share if you care.